After a career break, I obviously did not expect a hike. But then when I went back and said I have this course as an added advantage, I landed at 22%. I have 10 years of experience in business finance. I took a career break of 1 year to manage with my young kid. And then while returning back to the IT industry, I wanted to equip myself with the recent trends and then start looking for a job. That is when I got to know about IntelliPath, and I took the course. The LMS portal, right? It has both uh, um, a text related stuff, or there are assignments in that, there are PPTs, presentations to the topic. It is exhaustive. The biggest advantage is everyday class, whatever happens, right? Like the weekend classes that happens, everyday class is recorded and it's available for me to view at my pace whenever I require it. An assignment, not just for the sake of giving an assignment. So it had covered all sorts of topics that were taught. The instructor who was there for us, he was very exceptional. I very much appreciate about the support from IntelliPath is feedback request on a regular basis and acting upon the feedback that we give. After a gap of, see, the gap was very small, 1 year, but when I went back, I realized the world was moving very fast. They were not still sitting and working with Excels and passing around numbers and crunching those numbers day and night. So it was easier for me to fit in into that curve after I went through this course. Initially, those jobs used to take 2 days. Now I am just doing it at few hours. Initially, I used to slog for a long time, but now I'm working only for 8 hours, and I'm able to achieve the work and life balance, work-life balance. I'm implementing what I've learned through ML here. It is still work in progress, but I do see there has been a better result that I am getting through the financial modelings that I've implemented using what I've learned to what I've already done. After a career break, I obviously did not expect a hike, but then when I went back and said I have this course as an added advantage, I landed at 22%.